Hi, welcome to Richard Gabili YouTube channel, and for today's tutorial, I will be teaching you on how to remove filters and personal focus on iPhone X. But first, can you subscribe to this channel and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for the new updates. And let's start. Using your iPhone X from your home screen, first go to Settings. Then in the Settings, scroll down and click the Focus. Then in the Focus, click the Personal. Then in the personal focus, scroll down and go to focus filter section. Then click the applications that you want to remove on your filters. For example, this one. Then after that, click the delete filter. Then click again the delete filter to confirm your deletion. And your filters is now removed. And that's it. We have successfully removed filters and personal focus on iPhone X. If you have a question, kindly comment down below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for the new updates. And thank you for watching!